Hey, what's up, everyone? My name's Jamil, and welcome to Holo Circuits. Now, on this channel, we're going to be uploading videos related to tech. So, we'll be uploading long form videos, short form videos, and those tech videos are going to be tied to unboxing new products, reviewing new products and services, applications, and just giving my opinion about different tech announcements in the industry and anything else I think would be cool or useful to you all in terms of content. But really, I want to make videos about tech that I'm interested in. And, I will obviously take suggestions for different tech products and services, applications, and everything in between that you may want to see on the channel as well. So let me know what you want to see covered on the channel in the comment section below, in terms of products, services, applications, different news about tech. And yeah, one other thing I do want to mention is that, everything you see in the channel is stuff that I either already own or stuff that I'm purchasing myself. I'm not sent out hardware or given access to anything early. I'm just a regular guy who likes tech, who has been buying different tech products and using different applications and services for years. I worked in tech. I work in the games industry now, so um, I have a lot of experience working with different products and services, and also just using different things on a daily basis, whether it's to make videos like this or do my job or just to kind of make it easier to manage things around the house in terms of stuff like home automation and things like that. So I hope you all enjoy the videos that I put out there. I know I'll enjoy making them, but yeah, again, welcome and stay tuned for more from Hollow Circuits. I'll see you next time.